This is a purple slate sharpening stone. Let me try that. It's more accurate to what it's like in person. I messed with the white balance a little bit. I think it's probably a Vermont slate or a slate from New York. It's the area I came from. It's definitely not French. Excuse me, I don't think it's English going by the performance. Focus. Thank you. Bottom is finished. Anyway, here's the working surface. That's lapped in chamfered. Very smooth. This stone is 8 and 25/32 of an inch long, 1 and 5/8 wide, 9/16 of an inch deep for most of the stone, except for this one little spot, which is about 1/16 of an inch more shallow where there is a slate tip. It's purple, probably Vermont, going by how it feels, behaves. Nice dimensions. Hard to keep in frame. Anyway, purple slate.